Which animal has the ability to change its sex? A. Clownfish. What unique defense mechanism does the horned lizard have? Shoots blood from its eyes. What is unique about the Turritopsis dohrnii jellyfish? A. It's immortal. Which animal has the ability to survive without a brain? C. Sponge. Which animal has the most toxic venom? A. Box jellyfish. What is unusual about the Suriname toad's reproduction? A. Babies grow in back skin. Which animal has the longest tongue relative to body size? C. Tube-lipped nectar bat. What unique ability do tardigrades possess? A. Survive in space. Which animal has the most teeth? B. Giant armadillo. What is unique about the pistol shrimp's claw? A. It creates sonic booms.